Good morning. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in Bank Nifty index futures and options today. Let us see what happened yesterday. That means the last trading session. In the last trading session, the market opened near 36,400. After the price opening, it went up till 36,600, came down and closed near 36,400 itself. Today you can expect the market to open somewhere within the range of 36,700 and 800. Price opening is subjected to changes since we are recording and posting this presentation much earlier. You can go for buying till 36,400 by placing stop at 36,300, expecting the market to hit various target marked as possible resistance. How we can do this in the options market? The option chain, what you are seeing is for March month monthly expiring contract. In this you can buy 37,000 call option. You can buy this call option with a 150 point stop whenever the price hits major support, and you can expect the value to increase once underlying asset increases.